No one knows the exact day of reckoning, but mark my words, that day is coming. It is nearer than many realize. Zarabda mashuko buda pangwa ine. Skoki mapranga cheat our the day of reckoning. Pangwa is approaching. The day which was mentioned by VP Kosano Chiwenga in his speeches, Ajit our the day of reckoning is coming for Ugandandas. To subscribe or like on the bell button. Now, Mumla Yamchinze. General Kosano Chiwenga is the next president of the Republic of Zimbabwe, the next first secretary of the ZANU-PF. Those who foolishly believe that General Chiwenga is finished because of the Cap 3 madness are deceiving themselves. Let me speak plainly and with the authority of one who has served this nation in uniform for decades. General Chiwenga remains the embodiment of discipline, vision, and unwavering commitment to the liberation legacy. Nanka Kwendi Sugananda Cartel Group, their time is up. They know it. The people know it. The writing is on the wall. Under the leadership of General Constantino Chiwenga, there will be no Sugananda. There will be zero tolerance to corruption. The days of the cartel capture, patronage, and the looting of national resources will come to an abrupt end. Zimbabwe will return to the path of integrity, accountability, and the genuine service to the people. I have fought for this country. I know what sacrifice means. I stand with the men who is the real steel, the intellect, and the moral clarity to restore the dignity of the revolution and deliver prosperity to every Zimbabwean. The storm is gathering. The order is crumbling. A new dawn led by General Kosano Chiwenga is on the horizon. For whatever, they will never. Thomas Kwamre Tukapangwa in the retired Lieutenant General. Mustos Kakuma Branga, Pangwa in a GT, the veteran of the liberation struggle. Recommend section meters of free and more to be on the page. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.